Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming what type of copyright action you're seeing and why. You should save the original story video to your phone so you can edit offline. Once done, look immediately for a licensed replacement, use Facebook Sound Collection or a trusted royalty-free source so the track won't trigger a repeat claim. Make sure the replacement covers the same duration. You'll need a clean audio file and the original video for the next steps. You now replace the copyrighted audio with your licensed file using any mobile or desktop editor. Mute the original audio track, then import and align the new track to match cuts and key moments. Once done, trim the project to story length and normalize volume so speech isn't buried. Export as MP4 with AAC audio to preserve compatibility. After export, play the file on your device to confirm sync and quality. You should upload the edited story and immediately verify whether Facebook still flags the audio. If a claim appears, make sure your account privacy isn't blocking processing and have your license or proof of purchase ready to attach. If it remains flagged, try re-encoding the file at a standard bitrate or shorten the clip by a few seconds, then reupload. If problems persist, contact Facebook support with your license evidence. One key troubleshooting tip: re-encode using a different editor to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.